When Finding Nemo came out in 2003, it became an instant classic. As a result, this one film has created 6 unique attractions at the Disney parks around the world, particularly after Disney acquired Pixar in 2006. But which park has the best Finding Nemo themed attraction? Let's find out. We start at Disney California Adventure. Within the Animation Academy in Hollywood, guests have been able to visit Turtle Talk with Crush since 2005. The show is an interactive show where guests can interact with Crush the Turtle and other characters from the film in real time. As the park only has a Turtle Talk with Crush attraction, DCA is number 6. Coming in next is Animal Kingdom. In 2006, Tarzan Rocks ended its run in the Theatre of the Wild, and Finding Nemo the Musical opened in its place in 2007. The show featured brand new songs written by Robert Lopez and Kristen Anderson Lopez, who are now known for their success from the Frozen franchise, condensing the non-musical film to a 40-minute Broadway stage show starring puppets. After the 2020 park closures, Finding Nemo the Musical failed to return to the park. That was until 2022, when the show was reimagined as Finding Nemo the Big Blue and Beyond. A more condensed version of the show, where the fish tank gang are now telling the story of Nemo to fish at the Marine Life Institute. Although the show is a good way to avoid the heat and enjoy some live entertainment, it does take up a large chunk of your day in the park, so Animal Kingdom comes in at number 5. We head to Tokyo Disney Sea for our next attraction, which is also the most recent attraction. Turtle Talk with Crush was added in 2009 to the bottom floor of the SS Columbia, where the attraction is housed in the ship's underwater observatory. The main Finding Nemo attraction located in Tokyo Disney Sea can be found in the Port Discovery section of the park. Nemo and Friends Sea Rider replaced Storm Rider in 2017 and is a simulator attraction. Guests board a Sea Rider, a fish-shaped submarine that can shrink to the size of a fish. The guests then go on an adventure with Nemo, Marlin and Dory around the Marine Life Institute, the main location of Finding Dory. Whilst this is the newest Finding Nemo attraction, it is a simulator attraction, so is naturally reliant on screens, although it does attempt to bring you into the world of Finding Nemo. Hence, Tokyo Disney Sea is coming in at number 4. Let's head to France for our next unique Finding Nemo attraction. When the Walt Disney Studios Park opened in 2002, the park was lackluster and the smallest Disney park in the world. In an attempt to improve the park, the Tower of Terror opened in Production Courtyard, whilst Cars Race Rally and Crush's Coaster opened in a new expansion to the park called Toon Studio. Crush's Coaster is an unexpected spinning roller coaster with a dark ride portion at the start of the attraction. Guests board the back of the turtle shell and plunge into the dark ride portion of the attraction, where they pass through the Great Barrier Reef and Bruce's sunken submarine. The coaster then enters the main portion of the attraction, a spinning roller coaster through the East Australian Current, but it's certainly more extreme than you'd expect from a Finding Nemo roller coaster. That is why Walt Disney Studios Park is coming in at number 3. We're heading back to California for our penultimate attraction, located in Disneyland. In 1998, the Submarine Voyage was closed in Disneyland's Tomorrowland as part of a major refurbishment for the land, but its Atlantis-based replacement never came to be. As a result, the Submarine Lagoon remained empty for 9 years until Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage opened in 2007. The attraction used the same track layout and show building as the previous Submarine Voyage, but was now themed to Finding Nemo. Guests board a submarine who is on a journey to find an underwater volcano. Along the way, guests encounter various characters who are searching for Nemo, whilst also passing by shipwrecks, jellyfish and anglerfish. There is also an observatory nearby for those that can't transfer to the submarines. The attraction uses a specialised ride vehicle, screens and animatronics to tell the story, but its low capacity and accessibility issues is why it comes in at number 2. Epcot is the Disney park with the best Finding Nemo themed attraction. In 2004, the original Turtle Talk with Crush attraction opened in the Living Seas Pavilion, whose success prompted the pavilion to close in 2005. It reopened in 2006 as the Seas with Nemo and Friends, featuring the old aquarium exhibits and the Nemo Reefy. In 2007, the Sea with Nemo and Friends attraction opened. It is an omnimover attraction where guests board a clammobile and go on a journey to find Nemo. The attraction is similar to the Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage when it comes to the storyline, but the finale features the Nemo characters singing In the Big Blue World from the Animal Kingdom musical, all projected alongside real sea creatures. With a pavilion featuring multiple Finding Nemo attractions and being the closest a Disney park has got to a Finding Nemo themed land, the Seas with Nemo and Friends also has the most accessible Finding Nemo attraction that all members of the family can enjoy. As a result, I'm putting Epcot as the park with the best Finding Nemo theming. Finding Nemo has 6 unique attractions that can be found around the world, including an interactive show, a stage musical, a simulator, a roller coaster, a submarine voyage, and an omnimover. What do you think is the best Finding Nemo attraction? Let me know in the comments down below.